Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one or two websites where we can create a social bookmarking Dofollow high quality social bookmarking backlink. So on those websites, so the first website name is bboclub.com. So all the websites can provide you a Dofollow social bookmarking backlink opportunities. So must you guys have to consider these websites for the social bookmarking. Okay. So this is the website dashboard. So before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. Okay, so now we can start. So this is the first website. So you can see there is a register button. You can click over there. There you guys can choose your username, your email ID, then you guys can choose your password and you guys can verify your password, and again you guys can verify your captcha. Then you can click for the create user button. I have already created, so simply I can go to login button. I guess there is certain issue. And again I can verify the captcha and I can click for the create a user button. So you can see I have created our account. So you can see this is our profile landing page URL, and after a couple of day after, you guys can optimize your profile details also, because this is a good thing. But if you are new on this website, so you cannot do these things. Okay, so simply you guys can go for the submit button. There you guys can add your URL, which URL you wanting to create social bookmarking backlink, and there you guys can add your social bookmarking title. So I'm just using throughout my website because right now I don't have that much time, so that's why. But your case, you guys can generate at least a quality of content. These things can help you guys can get higher ranking, higher authority, and the traffic also. And you guys can verify your captcha and you can click for the save changes and the submit button. And you can see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL, and this is your social bookmarking, and I can show you this is a Dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% Dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the Dofollow or no referral. So yeah, it is a high quality Dofollow social bookmarking backlink. So now we can move forward to the next website. So the next website name is Urlsuggest.com. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you can see there is a sign up button. There you guys can add your username, your email ID. So let me copy email ID, and you guys can paste it over there. There you guys can choose your password, but so you guys can see I have created this is our profile. You can click for the setting button and you will see your all details. So from there you guys can optimize your profile details. Then you guys can add your first name, last name if you wanting, Then after that, once you optimize your profile details, then you guys can go with a submit button, and there you guys can add your website URL. And you can click for the submit button, and there this is automatically picked your title. And if you're wanting to change your title, so you can add your generic or your fresh title. Then you guys can choose your category, online software business software. From there you guys can add a short description about this page, and you guys can verify your captcha BBCYGOE, and you guys can click for the submit button. You have successfully submitted your story URL for the review and the upcoming. So this website might take a couple of time for the approving your backlink, but you can see this is can instantly approved our social bookmarking backlink. You guys can click for the read more button, and you guys will found your social bookmarking landing page URL. So this is details about the social bookmarking, and where is our website URL. So this is from there in the title section. So this is a very great thing. So you guys can see this is a very high quality Dofollow with contextual backlink we have get it on from that website urlsuggestion.com. So you guys can consider those websites for the social bookmarking. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, you are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.